go. So good morning, everybody. Here we are in beautiful Palm Desert, California. Look at this tall palm tree. This is a day palm tree right here. In the background, we have San Jacinto Mountains. Today, we're at the store at Sun City. These are discount cleaners. The door closer on this location went out. And the door closer is inside the frame of the door. It's one of those weird models. Here it is. It went out. It was banging when it closed. So I went and checked. How much those things are, and they're about $1,200. So I went and bought one of these heavy-duty door closer at Home Depot. Yeah, they're only about $90, including taxes and all. And so we installed it up here. Or actually, I installed it because it's just me, myself, and I. And it's worked pretty good. Look how beautiful it closes the door. I'm gonna back out. Look at that. Look at that. The thing of beauty, man. And look at that. Nice. I also installed a new door chimer, so every time you come in, you hear this stupid thing go. Pretty good. So yeah, this door closer, it closes nicely. We just saved $1,200 plus installation. This thing was less than $100. So there you go. These people are trying to steal money from us blind. All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you.